say hop and I'll hop. You say stop and I'll stop. You say come and I come. Anything you say, I'm like a hunk of clay. I'm just like putty, a putty in your hands. With one wave of your hand, I'm your slave to command. But I'm glad it's okay. Anything you say, I'm like a hunk of clay. I'm just like putty, a putty in your hands. You can stretch me until I'm 10 feet tall, or cut me down to the size of a rubber ball. You can use me or bruise me, but never remove me. Without your love I ain't nothing at all. I wound up and they say I'm a fool, 'cause you treat me so cruel. But I'll go on this way. Anything you say, I'm like a hunk of clay. I'm just like putty, a putty in your hands. You can stretch me until I'm 10 feet tall, or cut me down to the size of a rubber ball. You can use me or bruise me, but never refuse me. Without your love I ain't nothing at all. I wound up and they say I'm a fool, 'cause you treat me so cruel. But I'll go on this way. Well, anything you say, I'm like a hunk of clay. I'm just like putty, well, putty in your hands. I'm just like putty, well, putty in your hands. I'm just like putty, well, putty in your hands.
Se reparte. Coger los flyers que estamos tirando.